Here's a pair of the JBL Vibe Beam 2 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to put it in the pairing mode, how to connect to one device, one phone, and then how to connect to two phones, and then how to factory reset these. So first thing is we're going to connect to my iPhone here. After we connect to the iPhone, we're going to connect to my Samsung Galaxy S26. So first thing is the iPhone here. Let's go ahead and take the earbuds out of the case. Now we want these to be in pairing mode. We'll know that these are in pairing mode if both of these is blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, so wait for a few seconds. And now we can see that mine is blinking blue. So mine's already in pairing mode. So I don't have to do anything. Just lay this down right here, or you can put it in your ears. I'm going to go to my iPhone here, and I'm going to go directly to settings. I'm going to go to Bluetooth. And now that little spinny thing down there, it's searching for devices that's in Bluetooth range about 30 feet that is near me. And it should show up down here. It's taking a little while. Let me just turn off the Bluetooth. And I'm just going to turn it back on just to rescan. It's still in the pairing mode. Oh, there we go. JBL Vibe Beam 2. So let's tap on this. And voila, we're connected, ready to go. So we're connected to this iPhone here. So now let's say we go ahead and put these back here. And next thing we want to do is connect to this Android phone here. Okay? So let me go ahead and... So as soon as I pull these out, they're not going to be in the pairing mode because it's connected to this iPhone. So what I can do is I can go to this iPhone right now and turn off Bluetooth or disconnect or unpair these from the Bluetooth list on this phone. If I do that, and then as soon as I take these out, these will be back in the pairing mode, okay? But we're going to stay connected here, and we're going to go ahead and connect to this phone here. So I'm going to take the earbuds out. And I just have to use one of the earbuds, the left or right one. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to use the right one here. Now, it's not going to be blinking blue. It's not going to be in pairing mode. So you get like a solid blue light turns off because it's connected to that phone. So what we have to do is this. You can put this in your ear or not. We want to tap and then tap and hold in the touch sensor here, okay? So let's do this. Ready? Tap and then tap and hold, and keep holding it until it starts blinking blue. Oh, there we go. So both of these are blinking blue now, okay? It doesn't matter if you use the right one or the left one, just one of them. So now it's in pairing mode. Now we can jump over to the Samsung Galaxy S26 here, and we're going to go directly to settings, and then we're going to go to connections, and then we're going to go to Bluetooth. And now that little spinny thing up here, again, it's spinning. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range, and it did find the JBL Vibe Beam 2, so I'm going to tap on that. With Android phones, you should get a pairing request. I'm going to tap on pair, and voila, I'm connected, ready to go. Okay, so if I watch, listen to music or watch YouTube videos, the sound is going to come out of the earbuds. If I put this down and I grab my iPhone now and I listen to music or watch YouTube videos, the audio will come out of here. So now let's go ahead and do a factory reset, okay? You want to do a factory reset maybe if you have issues pairing or connecting, or one side's not working, or the volume's like really low, or maybe you keep getting static, and so on. So we're going to factory reset these, okay? Put the buds in the case, and then we're going to open up. Now we're going to take them out, okay? Now after we take them out, we're just going to use one earbud again. What we're going to do this time, remember when we put it in pairing mode, you had to tap and hold. For the factory reset, it's going to be tap, tap, and then tap and hold, okay? So we're going to take both of these out. And we're just going to use the left or right one. It doesn't matter. You can put these in your ears if you wish. What we're going to do is tap, tap, and then tap and hold right up here. Okay, ready? Tap, tap, tap and hold. Now just keep holding here until it blinks blue twice. I might have to do it again. Just keep holding for like 6 or 7 seconds. 1, 2. It just blinked blue, both of them. Okay, now next thing is just put it back into the case and just wait for these lights to turn off. Once the lights turn off, the factory reset is complete. So now when I take them out, the factory reset is complete, and it should go directly into pairing mode, which is indicated by blinking blue, 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 blue. Now, the thing is, remember I was connected to these two phones. If I wanted to connect back to the iPhone here, for instance, it's in pairing mode, and I go to settings here, and I go to Bluetooth, it's not going to show up down here because it was already paired, the JBL Vibe right there. So what I have to do if I want to connect or pair it back to this phone, I got to tap on the information or the Bluetooth settings there, and I have to forget this device. On an Android phone, it'd be like unpair. On a TV, it might be remove or delete or forget this device. But I'm going to forget this device, so I'm going to remove it totally from this phone. Now, it should show up back here where I can reconnect to this, okay? It's still in the pairing mode, but let me just turn off Bluetooth. Let me turn it back on to rescan. And the JBL Vibe Beam 2 has appeared again. I can tap on that. And this way I am connected back to my iPhone. If I want to connect back to the S26, I do have to delete it off that Bluetooth pairing list as well. So pretty simple. Any questions or issues? Comment below.